Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Misty Art. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to make a custom photo collage to gift my friend on her birthday. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Start with painting the MDF board with color of your choice. Here I have used pastel violet color by mixing white and violet. Then use a piece of foam or sponge to smoothen out the brush strokes and create some texture. Then using a darker shade of the same color, add some texture with the help of sponge. Then apply a little bit of gold paint with the help of sponge to give it that vintage look. Then I have added some floral texture using stencil and sculpture paste. Mix a drop of acrylic paint in white sculpture paste and apply it using a palette knife. Repeat the same steps and add some texture randomly on the MDF board. Then here I have some photographs and Polaroids of my friend which I am going to add in this collage. Then next I have some stickers and birthday codes which I got them printed on glossy paper from Cyber Cafe. And then in the last I have added a rose wax seal onto some dried flowers. In case you don't have dried flowers, you can use the artificial ones. And in case you don't have wax paints, you can use glue gun or wax candle. Add some highlights with golden metallic powder on your wax seal and your custom birthday photo collage is ready. Do let me know in the comment section if you like this video or if this video was helpful for you. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and and also press that bell icon for latest updates from my channel. And you can also help me by liking this video and sharing it with your friends, family and loved ones. We will meet in next video with a new idea. Till then, take care and bye bye.